Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert second to minute in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video I will show convert second to minute in Google Sheets. Now mouse cursor from the minute. Now for click, then press from the equal option. Now type from the convert. Now select from the second. Now for comma, press, then press from double quotation, type from second, SCC, again double quotation and again comma, again double quotation and minute, again double quotation and close the first bracket, then press for enter. That is. Now click for a tick mark option. That is. Then I show convert second to minute in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.